Lists are something people use every day and can play a crucial role in making sure things get done. In business, staying on top of your workload and personal admin can be extremely difficult without the use of the right organisational tools. Because when you're dealing with a large number of clients, colleagues, or projects, it can become overwhelming for you to coordinate and manage your tasks. And this is where Microsoft's new feature, Microsoft Lists, comes into play. Microsoft Lists offers you the flexibility to create bespoke platforms and formats to enable you to work in a way that suits you best. The Lists feature comes as a part of the Microsoft Teams application and can be found in the Teams section. Select a team, click the plus sign, and choose Lists. Now, Microsoft Lists lets you choose or create a template that fits your requirements. These lists work in a similar way to Excel, as you can type in list items and create rules and automations. So these templates offer a different purpose. For example, the issue tracker can be used to set priorities and always know how the issue is progressing using the status column. You can also keep your team members productive by sending notifications when issues get assigned to them. Another one is the event itinerary, which allows you to organise all your important event details in one place, so everything runs smoothly. Track speaker names and emails, start and end times, room capacity, and more. So like all Microsoft applications, Microsoft Lists integrates seamlessly with your other Microsoft 365 apps. Since there's less back and forth between different apps with Microsoft Lists, you'll save a lot of time every day, as everything you need will be in one place. For more technology and business insights, please sign up to our video content series to receive up-to-date IT and business tips. Hope to hear from you soon, guys.